When it comes to any medical facility, you're talking about a lot of moving parts. Thousands of tools, parts, and pieces of equipment just waiting to be repaired, replaced, or invented. Because your workflow can always be made more efficient. And who knows your job better than you and your team? Efficiently managing all this inventory doesn't have to be a balancing act between logistics and quality of patient care. Say hello to PolyUnity. We make your work life easier by collaborating with you and your team to make great ideas a reality, transforming your ordinary supply closet into a digital warehouse through the power of additive manufacturing. With fully managed on-site or local 3D printing solutions, our cloud-based platform brings the supply chain to you. Define, design, and digitize. That's it. Our vast digital library lets you see what other healthcare organizations and networks are doing, allowing you to share your great ideas with the rest of the world. Everybody wins. Our team of expert product designers and engineers collaborate with you and your team every step of the way, from testing prototypes to the finished product. Working to your required specifications, we'll upload the 3D designs into our proprietary i3D Health portal. All you need to do is click. Once a design is uploaded, it's in there forever. The only place it's going is wherever it's needed. No more slow and costly administration and procurement or sourcing legacy parts. No more costly expedited shipping or large carbon footprints. With PolyUnity, you get exactly what you need when you need it. And that's more efficient processes with higher quality of care. To learn more about PolyUnity's i3D Health portal and additive manufacturing as a service, visit polyunity.com.